As a beginner, you have to go beyond your comfort zone, let go of support, and just give it a go, knowing it'll probably take many more tries to truly get the hang of it. As an expert, we're comfortable with our knowledge and can both achieve more and be more efficient. So why should we practice thinking like a beginner? Beginner's mind, or Shoshin, is a Zen Buddhism technique to approach something as if for the first time, seeing with fresh eyes and without expectations, even if we're experts on the matter. It's about having an attitude of openness, curiosity, and wonder. Practicing beginner's mind allows us to make objective observations by not bringing any preconceptions and expectations we might have to the current moment. It can help us see something we might otherwise have overlooked and make room for curiosity. It allows us to open our minds to awe and wonder around us, to be mindful and aware of our surroundings, which is exactly what we try to achieve when nature journaling. So how can we use this mindset in our nature journaling? Leave behind preconceptions such as your drawing skills and prior knowledge, so anything you might already know about your subject. A beginner accepts they've got room for improvement, but won't let it stop them from learning. You will learn more about your subject if you don't focus on what you already know. Avoid frustration and disappointment by not having expectations. Be open to new experiences by using all your senses to be aware and in the moment. Ask yourself, what can you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste? Be curious by slowing down and paying attention to your surroundings. Pretend you've never experienced this before. Perhaps describe it to someone who isn't there, using words, pictures, and numbers. Draw what you see, not what you think you see. Focus on the shapes and colours in front of you, even if your brain says that's not what it expected. Ask lots of questions and accept that it's okay to not know or have the answers. Don't accept the first idea as the right or only option. Keep brainstorming and stay open to other possibilities. I hope these practical tips will help you have a more fulfilling nature journaling experience. How do you practice using a beginner's mind when nature journaling? please share in the comments. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next video.